This is section 9.7a, part 2. We talk about special cases in perfect square trinomials on the first page. In this second page, we talk about the idea of what if there's a GCF involved. Look at our first problem. Do you see the GCF? I hope you do. It's 10. So let's write what's left over. When we take out a 10, we have x squared plus 10x plus 25. Well, we can easily write our answer because we have a perfect square involved. That's x plus 5 squared because 5 times x is 5x, and double it and you get 10x. Our next one, the GCF is 4. We take it out here and we're left with x squared minus 6x plus 9. Once again, the 9 is a perfect square, and so we're going to have x minus 3 squared. Our third one here, our GCF between these three is 2. So if we take a 2 out, we'll have 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. Are both of those perfect squares? They sure are. That's 2x and 5 with a minus in the middle. We need to remember to check, is 5 times 2 doubled 20? It is. Let's look at our last one. The GCF is 3. We take out that GCF, we're left with x squared minus 8x plus 16. As we solve our problem, the 3's out front and we have x minus 4, the quantity squared. So just an example in 4 simple steps of when do you have a GCF, take that out first to make your problems easier to factor. At the bottom here we have a little bit of a story problem and kind of some geometry to look at. To do this we need to remember what is the area of a square. Well, the area of a square is side times side. In other words, it's side squared. So something times itself has to equal that polynomial. Well, based on what we've just learned, if we wanted to factor that, the area of the square could be rewritten as 4x minus 3 squared. Actually plus 3 squared because the middle term is a plus. 4 times 3 is 12, double it's 24. So the question is, what is the length of the side of the square? Well, then the length of this side right here must be 4x plus 3. And the length of this side over here is also 4x plus 3. So we're looking at our perfect squares for today. Our perfect square today is 22. 4, 84. I like this one because 4 plus 4 is 8. It's kind of like the 121.